Hi, here we have a math problem on four quadrants of an xy plane. Okay, let's go over the information. If point 7 comma b is in quadrant 1 and point a comma negative 3 is in quadrant 3, in which quadrant is the point a comma b? Okay, let's draw the four quadrants of an xy plane. So this is quadrant 1 and this is quadrant 2 and this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3. So all the values on the x-axis over here are positive. On the left side of y-axis, the values on the x-axis, all the values on the x-axis will be negative. Above the x-axis, the values on the y-axis will be positive. Below the x-axis, the values on the y-axis will be negative. Okay, here, so 7 comma b, the first point 7 comma b is in quadrant 1. Okay, so in all the points we have in quadrant 1, both the x coordinate and y coordinate will be positive. So here we have the point 7 comma b. 7 comma means since all the y coordinates are positive, so the y coordinate in the point 7 comma b must be positive. So the value of b has to be greater than 0. So in the point 7 comma b, the value of b has to be positive or greater than 0. Okay, so the second information says that the point a comma negative 3 is in quadrant 3. A comma negative 3 is in quadrant 3. So in all the points we have in quadrant 3, both x coordinate and y coordinate are negative. So here a is x coordinate in the point a comma negative 3. Since this point is in quadrant 3, the x coordinate a has to be negative. Okay, now so we have some clear picture, that is the value of b has to be positive, the value of a has to be negative. So a is negative and b is positive. So just consider the quadrant where actually a is negative, this is negative, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So okay, now we have to consider the quadrant, so where the x coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is positive. It's very clear that is in second quadrant, because in second quadrant, so all the x coordinates are negative and all the y coordinates are positive. So in the point a comma b, so the x coordinate a is negative, b and the y coordinate b is positive. So this point a comma b is in quadrant 2. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.